How to orange triangle Instagram DM flag. To add an orange triangle flag to an Instagram DMs, you need to follow the steps. But before you move on with the steps, make sure that the app is completely up to date. Now then, to begin with, you want to first of all open the Instagram application and log in. After you're logged in, what next you want to do is here, click on the DMs icon from the top right corner of your screen. And next, what you could do is just simply hold on to the chat page. Now, for example, I'm going to go for this. Then what you need is just simply swipe towards your left hand side. Now this feature isn't available in Android, I guess. You could just swipe left and then you could find these flag icon. You could simply go and press that out. Otherwise, you could just go ahead and click on the profile initials, and there as well you could look for it. Click on the three dot icon. You could see this flag icon, but if you cannot find it in the following options or in the devices, then this means that this following feature isn't available. Now, it doesn't really mean anything. It's just the orange triangle, a personal marker to indicate a conversation is important and needs your attention. So to remove it, use the same process and select the flag options. But as you could see that not every devices or not every country has these options. So it's not available everywhere. So if you could find it, you just do the procedure and you might be able to locate it. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.